Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about something you see all the time on the road but might not really think about. Tank trailers. Yes, those huge rigs hauling liquids like fuel, water, milk, or chemicals. Have you ever wondered why they have that distinctive rounded shape? I'm going to explain it in simple terms today, and you'll see there's a lot of clever engineering behind it. Let's start with the physics. In a regular truck, the cargo just pushes downward, but liquid in a tank pushes in all directions. The cylindrical shape spreads that pressure evenly, preventing stress from building up at corners or flat walls, something that would happen in a square tank. Think of inflating a balloon. The air pushes evenly in all directions so it holds its shape without bursting. Tank trailers work the same way, especially when carrying pressurized liquids or gases. But here's the thing. Driving a tanker is much trickier and more dangerous than driving a normal truck. The reason is inertia, the tendency of objects to resist changes in motion. When a tanker accelerates, brakes, or turns, the liquid inside keeps moving in its original direction. This causes a sloshing effect. The liquid shifts forward when braking, backward when accelerating, and sideways in turns. When braking, that forward shift can increase stopping distance and rock the truck. During turns, the liquid moves outward, causing the tanker to lean and increasing the risk of tipping over, especially in sharp turns or bad weather. To reduce these risks, tankers have internal walls called baffles. These break the tank into separate compartments, limiting how much the liquid can move around. This reduces sloshing, improves stability, and makes the truck easier and safer to handle. Baffles also help distribute the load evenly and can even allow different liquids to be carried in separate sections without mixing. The design of tank trailers also depends on what they carry. For example, fuel tankers are usually made from stainless steel or aluminum to resist corrosion. They have internal baffles and compartments to reduce liquid movement, and advanced safety features like emergency valves and fire prevention systems because of the flammable cargo. You'll see everything from short tank wagons to long Class 8 trailers holding up to 8,500 gallons, about 32,000 liters, while staying within legal weight limits. Water tankers are often made from stainless steel or reinforced plastic, depending on whether the water is potable. They usually have fewer internal compartments since there's little fire risk. Many are fitted with pumps to make unloading easier at delivery sites. For food-grade liquids like milk, tankers are made from stainless steel to maintain hygiene and prevent contamination. They often have refrigeration systems to keep milk at the right temperature during transit, and they're designed for easy cleaning and disinfection. Chemical tankers use corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel or specialized alloys. They have compartments and ventilation systems to prevent gas buildup, and they're equipped with spill containment and explosion protection systems. For compressed gases, tank trailers are built from high-strength steel to withstand internal pressure. The cylindrical shape is especially good for handling high pressure evenly. These trailers include high-pressure valves and safety systems to prevent explosions, and they typically transport gases like propane, butane, or oxygen. Finally, tankers for dry bulk products like cement or milk powder are made from carbon steel or aluminum. They have aeration and vibration systems to help with unloading and are equipped with compressors for efficient handling of dry materials. These design differences and material choices help ensure every cargo type is transported safely and efficiently, meeting its specific requirements. Now let's talk about two important things: regulations and safety. Transporting hazardous materials is tightly regulated internationally. In the U.S., the Department of Transportation sets rules for how these trailers are built, maintained, and operated. In Europe, there's the European Agreement for the International Carriage of Dangerous Goods by Road. Operating a tanker requires certifications and regular inspections depending on the cargo. For example, trailers carrying hazardous chemicals usually need more frequent checks than those hauling drinking water. The second key point is cleaning and disinfecting tankers, especially those used for food products or chemicals. This is essential for safety, hygiene, and preventing cross-contamination between loads. For milk, for instance, tankers are cleaned with hot, high-pressure water, disinfectant solutions, and automated washing systems to remove any residue or bacteria. Tank trailers also need regular inspections to ensure structural integrity and proper function of all components. Valves, safety systems, and internal baffles are checked for wear or corrosion. Pressure and leak tests are done to make sure there are no leaks that could compromise safety. If you're a driver with experience handling these trailers, tell us about your loading and unloading tips in the comments. Share your thoughts, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.